morning, guys. It's your girl Helene back with another vlog, and today is a very special day. It is my mother's birthday, and guys, my mom, my dad, my aunt, my uncle, my grandpa, they all flew down here yesterday morning for, to celebrate, well, to visit me, but to celebrate her special day, and I'm so excited I get to be a part of it. So unfortunately, it was like a big, well, it still is right now, a big storm happening right now. There's like a tornado in Florida happening, and Tallahassee, Florida, and like we got a big portion of the rain. So like it's been like raining nonstop since yesterday. And so yesterday morning when they came in, we went to Waffle House. I was excited to take them to Waffle House because it's a southern thing. Waffle House, everybody knows Waffle House is a southern thing. So, and I love Waffle House. It's one of my favorites of all time. I will never get sick of it. So yeah, it was my dad's and my uncle's first time. I took my mom and my aunt last time they came down to visit. But yeah, so they got to go to Waffle House, and of course it was bomb, like always. And then we ended up going back to my apartment. I showed them my apartment, and they just relaxed. It's 7 a.m. It was freaking pouring. I just came from the grocery store, and because I was gonna go last night when I got off work to get everything, but it was raining so bad that I just went back to my apartment. I got my clothes and I came over here because I just didn't want to drive anywhere else, because it just wasn't safe. Even me driving to the grocery store right now wasn't the safest because it's literally flooded. Like the streets are flooded right now. You can easily hydroplane doing like 20 miles per hour. It's crazy. But yeah, anyway, I went to the store and I got this cute little balloon. It says happy birthday. It's pink and it's a heart. Isn't it cute? So I'm gonna use this for like the birthday chair. So this is her spot right here, as you guys can see. This is her birthday chair right there. And then I'm gonna set up, I bought this party banner right here and tissue paper for her gifts. I got this beautiful card, guys. Oh my gosh, I literally was about to cry in a grocery store, literally, like, because it's just very true. I buy cards that like are really, really true about the person, I got these candles that I'm gonna use for her pancakes this morning. This gift bag, so I bought her some gifts. And I got some whipped cream, and well, this is almond milk whipped cream, guys. It tastes the same, but it's just healthier. And well, it's not really healthy, it's sugar, but it's less sugar than the regular kind. And then I got these rainbow sprinkles and some tape to hang everything. That's everything I got. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up. There we go. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. So let's see. Okay, guys, so guys, I forgot to tell you. So guys, I purchased this wine from Juwan, his production company, JS Productions Group. He literally came out with his own wine, and I wanted to support. So I bought a bottle, and I can't wait to try it with my family. And these are her gifts, guys. So she asked me for a gold necklace, and I bought her this one. Isn't that pretty, guys? It's a gold cross with the gold bracelet. So it matches. I hope she likes it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put everything in the bag. looking for pancake mix. I honestly typically don't use pancake mix, but just that water, cool. But this is what my family bought, so I'm gonna make this pancake mix. We also have some eggs here, some cheese, some, I can't believe it's not butter. I bought some blueberries because I'm making some blueberry pancakes today. And I bought these confetti sprinkles, so I'm also going to top it with confetti. And I'm going to put my mom's, I'm going to make a special birthday pancake for my mother. And we also have some grits here. So we got grits too. And they bought like some, I see they bought like bacon and sausage, but I don't eat that, and I don't want to make it either. Because honestly, guys, like pork makes me nauseous. I can't even like stand the smell of pork. I can't do it. So if they want pork, they're gonna have to make it themselves, because I can't do it, guys. I can't put myself through that torture. But guys, this Airbnb is beautiful. Like, I just pulled the curtains back even though it's raining. Look at this balcony. Like, it's probably a glare, you can't really see it, but I'll show you when it stops raining. It's supposed to stop raining today, so yeah, I'm gonna get cooking. So first things first, guys, I need to get a bowl. Well, first I'm gonna set the table. Set the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I just set the table. I'm gonna try to find the pots and pans. A pot for the grits. That's perfect for the grits. Now I need to find a pan. We have silverware right here, cups. I should set the table with these with silverware and cups too. Uh-oh, guys, we may not have a pan. I might have to run home and grab a pan, because I don't think they have one. So it looks like I'm gonna have to run home and grab my pan, because the Airbnb does not have a pan, and I live only 15 minutes away, so I'm not gonna take you guys with me because it's pouring out there and I don't want my camera. Ooh, it scared me. The thing fell. Ooh, it scared me. My camera to get wet, so I'm just gonna leave my camera here and I will pick up where I left off when I get back. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Well, I guess your dad can make stuff.
Huh?
Your dad can make, I know you don't eat sausage. They do. We got cookies. We don't eat meat. Oh.
I love your hair. Your hair is so pretty.
Oh,
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Well, yeah, Auntie, we're right on schedule. Nothing's been delayed or anything.
oh, good.
We're on good timing as far as the schedule. This is all part of the plan. So silly. big bowl. So, hey, it is what it is. But guys, it's a freaking tornado happening right now, but we're not gonna, like, we're just gonna pretend that's not happening. Hey guys.
I hope I didn't have to have it over a certain amount.
I'm putting it on Facebook.
Dad, you better not. I'm not impressed.
I have a Facebook account.
Dad, I don't do that.
What are you gonna do to me?
Don't do it, Dad.
All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Everything is a blessing. Yeah, everything is a blessing. And every moment provides us with opportunities to say, praise God from whom all blessings flow. And I'm happy to be here with my
All right, thankful for you guys. Thankful for Dad, Marlene, Lee, Sana. This time we get to spend together. I love it when a plan comes together. We're sort of all shut in today because of the weather. Couldn't think of a better crew to be shut in with. Thank you all for sharing your day and your time and your selves with old Randy. Thank you.
thank family. This is just amazing. Like Dad said, this is the crew. And Helene, just being here with us just makes it even more special. I'm just thankful. I'm blessed. And I just thank God. I'm just blessed.
Aww.
I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful for life, health, and strength. I'm thankful for that He placed us together as a family. I'm thankful that you are the sweetest person to put this together, Kel. I love your spirit. Thankful that I can be here and share my sister's birthday with her. And I'm just thankful for our great family, the love that we have for each other.
Yeah, I'll bring it. So, I guess you
Grateful.
It's beautiful. Uncle Lee. Yes, what are you grateful for, Uncle Lee?
I'm grateful for everybody here. I'm grateful for health, family. I guess that's it.
It's beautiful, yay. That's beautiful, guys. Oh yeah, that's my friend Joanne's wine.
There you go, Sandra.
Yeah.
I love my necklace.
Oh, that looks so cute.
That's not.
Oh, that's pretty. Fix it.
Huh?
Fix it. That's good.
Oh, that's pretty.
Aww, you look beautiful, Mom.
What you got on?
Alright guys, so I just came back from the store. I had to go get a wine key. Thank God the storm is over. It's currently 12 o'clock and the worst of it was before like 10 a.m. So yeah guys, Hurricane Helene passed through Georgia from Florida. And safe to say it was just a lot of flooding, but we are safe and it's gonna be sunny for the rest of the weekend, so that's what I'm looking forward to. A nice sunny weekend. It's gonna be in the 80s tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, and so yeah, it hasn't messed up our plans or anything. What I planned today was for us to have just an intimate breakfast here at the Airbnb, and then we're going to go to Botanical Gardens because that's what my mom wanted to do. And they're open actually. They were supposed to be delayed to open at 12 because of the storm, because they normally open at 9, but they're already open, already checked. So we can really go whenever. I'm just trying to see if they still want to go because it's still a little overcast right now. But it's still, like, I just came from outside and like the weather it's clear, you know, and it's not raining and it's nice. You don't need a jacket or anything. It's still warm. But it's up to the birthday woman, okay? So, but if not, then we'll probably just like chill here, and then I'll take her to the bakery so she can pick out a dessert, because I wanted to buy her a cake, but I just don't want to buy a store-bought cake this year. I bought her a store-bought cake last year, and I really have become fond of this bakery in Alpharetta called Alpine Bakery, and their desserts are just A1, so I want her to try it. And right now we're about to have a glass of wine. Shout out to Jawan Smith for making this wine. JS Productions Group, vintage label. Yeah, shout out to him. So yeah, I'm gonna open this wine and we're gonna try it and see what it tastes like. I really love red and white wine. Back to my bartender days. Just kidding. Alright, so I'm excited to try this wine. Alright, so I basically just washed out the glasses. The Airbnb provided these glasses, so now we're gonna try the wine. And yeah, here we go. order a glass of wine. All right, Mom, so you're the first taste tester.
Domino's wants to give you more. For a limited time, when you order any 2 or more medium 2-topping pizzas for $6.99 each online,
I know what you think.
upgrade 1 to a large for free. Get more inflation, not shrinkflation, only at Domino's.
This is my coffee shop. We just moved into a bigger space, brought on another employee, and ordered new blended gear.
What does it taste like?
It was so easy.
Maybe it'll go away. Oh, how am I gonna find a doctor I'll actually like? Is that a QR code?
Okay, is it sweet? Is it like,
It's not too sweet.
it's not too sweet?
Right.
Gotcha. Okay, but you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, scale to 1 to 10. Scale to 1 to 10.
They gave you no option
Okay.
where they
I could buy this.
speak in tax
Awesome.
terms.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm about to try it. Here we go. It's sweet. It's a sweet red. It's good. Ten out of 10. It's really good. How you feeling, Pop?
I'm feeling good. Make sure I'm in the blog.
You are?
Make sure I'm a blog hero.
You are. The blog goat.
The goat.
You know what that means?
Yeah, greatest of all time.
High five.
Oh, man.
Oh wow, they have live music. I love this kind of stuff, Pop.
You do?
The live music,
Yeah,
you know.
The people from the country. I know, Cal. I know.
Yes, I do like the country. So silly, Pop. There's nothing wrong with the country, Pop.
I hear you.
Oh, this is nice outside to sit. Thank you.
Hey, brother.
No, everybody's here. Everyone's here.
So our chef will be in Michigan tomorrow. There it is. Right there. Inside.
Which area would you prefer? So this is going to be all the tops. But it's going to be a 6-piece.
Those booths over there.
Yeah, that's going to be a tight. I mean, you're welcome to squeeze. It's just going to be a little tight.
You want to try it?
We could also try to do 2 booths next to each other.
We're going over there, but I just want to get the picture.
Where?
We're going to go over there. It's tight. Kelly, take a picture of me and Sean. Are we going over there?
Okay. Alright. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty. I love that. That's so pretty. It's pretty, right? We could, technically. you.
Of course.
So tell what you tell your blog people about us.
What you think, man?
That you're my family,
Okay.
who I love very much. Let's see. I mean, technically we could fit. She would just have to pull up. Hey guys, so we just got to the Select in Sandy Springs and I'm so excited. As you guys can see, we basically just walked through the whole flower portion of the restaurant, but now we're like in the light area, which is very beautiful. Take a look.
It is. Yeah.
What happened?
It's pretty. Right, the flowers right behind it. Wow, look at this, guys. That's art right there. Oh, that's pretty.
That's pretty.
Guys, look at this art right here.
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna leave these. I'm gonna go closer and take it.
That's beautiful. Amen.
This looks like a dinner like the Gap. I mean, but it might be good.
Huh? It is certainly.
Guys, I got the lobster and shrimp zucchini today, and my grandpa got this with a Caesar salad.
Oh, it's good.
Really good. Pop, what would you rate the salad? What would you rate the salad? 8 out of 10. That's pretty good. Yes, it was really good, guys. Yes, here we go. Bon appetit. 9 out of 10. Awesome.
Yeah, bro.
Awesome, awesome.
I'm sorry, you're at.
Your dad had a wonderful car that didn't have a windshield wiper in the winter. It was snowing. And he was living in Trenton. And somehow he had a hankering to come and see your mom. I don't know why. He didn't have a windshield wiper.
Because I was poor and broke.
I mean, I would have stayed
And I
home.
had a poor, broke car.
And I would have stayed home. And he wouldn't stay home.
He said,
I don't know why he didn't stay home. The Negro should have stayed home. And he went and got himself a can of, what is the name of the stuff? Rain-X.
Thank you, babe. Rain-X.
Got himself a can of Rain-X and sprayed it on his windshield.
See, he doesn't know how Rain-X works. He wants spray Rain-X.
I don't care what he said. He sprayed or wiped it or something. Whatever he had to do, he did. Whatever the man had to do. I tried to tell him stay away from my daughter. He wouldn't listen to me.
And I still went.
Are you done there?
No. So he wiped Rain-X on his windshield in the snow that's falling. Came all the way from Trenton to Woodbine just to catch a glimpse of his beauty.
Dad,
He was desperate. The guy was desperate. That's all I had to say.
Dad, can I ask you a question?
Yes, brother.
Can I keep you away from Patsy?
No.
Was that your story, Pop?
Story.
Oh, okay.
That's a good story.
But that was more about my dad than my mom.
Well, look what happened. He didn't listen to me. I told him. He called me and said, should I come? I said, no, you don't have a windshield wiper. He still came.
I'm asking about my windshield wiper.
Okay, my turn.
Story, Pop.
He was desperate, Kel.
My story is I have a very caring, loving sister. And my story is we were planning to go look at flowers one day. And as we was going, my back went out.
Aww.
So I could only turn and couldn't improve. So instead of canceling it, we went. And she went and brought me every flower to see which one I wanted to the court.
That is so sweet. Aww. That is so sweet.
All the way home to Millville to Lee.
That Pokemon was bad. I remember that.
Lee, what story do you have?
Oh, that was beautiful.
What's the story? Y'all,
What type of person do you think? Not y'all, her.
It's either something you love about her or a story.
A nice, loving person, like, or I feel like especially family.
Aww.
Loving person.
Well, as the man that has spent the last almost 40 years with Sana, the only thing I can say is that she does what the person that she is extraordinary, but the things that are extraordinary happen, so often that it's just regular, right? And so you just get sort of used to how she is, and I'll be the first to tell you how she is. For me, at certain points, can be it could take some getting used to. And so listen, my hat is off to my wife. I'm not even wearing it. But if I were wearing a hat, I would remove it in honor of this woman that's just before you, right? Who we may or may not, hopefully may not, take for granted. Right? Wonderful person. A beautiful person. My wife.
Aww.
And guess what? Though she gets the accolades, I get a few of them accolades. Guess why?
Tell me why.
Because I recognized that in her 40 years ago. And I recognize it to the day. And Dad tried to keep me away from this woman.
Aww. Happy birthday, Mom.
And you know what? She goes against me and kisses me. He likes that. Give me some.
I don't know, me personally, I have so many stories, so many things.
Go ahead,
I
Kelly.
could say a whole book on our relationship. You've always been like my superwoman. Always been someone I admire, look up to, someone I want to be like, you know, because of your character and like just, you're literally the first person I've just always admired ever in my life. So I appreciate you so much. I don't want to cry. I started to cry in the store when I got your card. But I just love you so much, and I just really appreciate the person that you are. Like, there's nobody else like you ever in this world.
You love your mom.
So I just want you to know, like, I really appreciate you for who you are.
You show it, Kel. You show it. You show
I
it.
really didn't mean to cry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, that's your mom.
Yeah.
But happy birthday, and I love you.
She reminds me of Kamala Harris.
Aw. People are looking at me. Oh my gosh.
She reminds me of Kamala Harris.
Oh my gosh.
That was beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's who you are. And we love you.
She's the one and only sister.
Yes. She is a queen, a true queen.
We were curious, like, what the video camera is so professional.
Oh, thank you. I'm a vlogger.
You must be good.
Thank
You
you.
have any channel?
I do. It's on YouTube.
Okay.
Oh, by the flowers, please.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry. You're good.
Two.
What I do?
Oh, just regular photo, you know.
Oh, on my phone.
No, mine. Yes, right here. Go ahead and snap it. Okay.
No, this dress is not flattering.
So nice.
I know you like the live music. Happy birthday, Mom! Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. You good? Okay. That's pretty, Mom.
Those flowers in there are so pretty.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Mom, what would you rate this restaurant on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
Yeah, you heard that, guys. 10 out of 10. That means the food was good.
I'll be honest, the food, I mean, it was great.
That's awesome.
It was great.
I really love this hair color, Mom. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm excited to try your birthday dessert. Are you excited?
Oh, I can't wait to go home and taste it.
Yeah. See, they had better options in the restaurant, right?
Oh my goodness.
Like what you got. You know what I mean? That's why I wanted to go there, because I wanted to get you something special.
Enjoying
Wasn't it nice, Mom?
I am really enjoying myself. I told Lena this is a vacation.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice stuff.
Hey, Lee, I'm thinking we need to pull up over there and get that. I don't want him crossing the street.
Where's David?
We're gonna pull up and go get him.
Until then, the bathroom.
Yeah, I don't want him crossing the street.
Pop, how old were you when you started playing guitar?
Me?
Yeah.
I was about 14 when I started. I stopped when I was about 18 and I never got back into it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why not?
I just moved away from that, but in the last 10, 15 years I've been playing the harmonica.
Yeah, I remember. So when you play guitar, did you learn how to play a song or no?
Yeah.
Like you knew how to play?
But
Oh, wow.
When you stop the guitar, your fingers get soft and you have to learn everything over. With the harmonica, I find you could drop off and come back and develop your abilities much faster.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's so cool. So Uncle Lee, you can really play too. Like you can.
He stayed with him.
I'm just trying to tell you.
Like Lee plays bass guitar. He has continued doing it, so he didn't fall off.
Okay, because he continued doing it.
Yeah.
See, that's what I'm trying to do. I took guitar lessons when you gave me that guitar pop.
Yeah.
And yeah, I got good. I started learning how to play chords.
Yeah.
But it's my life goal to like master it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That happened.
Iverson, he plays like R.I.P. like with lead guitar. And I think he has about 7 of them. Yeah,
Who has 7?
Guitars.
Who has 7 guitars?
7 guitars. That's
Who?
a brother of mine.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 7 guitars.
He has like a, what's that, like the DG King.
Okay.
Yeah, that one, the black and gold that he
Yes,
plays.
yes.
Yeah, yes. That one, yes.
Give him.
That's awesome. Wow. That's awesome. That's my favorite instrument.
Really?
I'm gonna master it. I'm not gonna eat all of this. So guys, look at this cheesecake. It's huge. Massive.
Thank you.
You want this piece?
Oh, Kelly, you know that's a lot. Just half it with the strawberry there. That little strawberry right there, that side.
Stuff for them.
Where's Marcy? That's messy.
Sheesh.
What's that one? You've been thinking.
Hold on. There's more.
No, I'm good.
There's more.
No, I'm good, Cal.
Dad, you want some?
Try some. Thank you.
More.
That's good.
More.
No. Let me get one of those chocolate covered strawberries though.
I gave you one.
Oh, then I'm good.
You don't want this?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Sure.
Dad?
Why not?
Yeah.
You sure you don't want more? This is huge. Y'all good? Pop, you sure you don't want any?
Why not?
You want some?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can give some of mine too. I'm not gonna eat all of this.
It looks good, Dad. Looks good.
Yes, Uncle Lee is so good.
I gotta try that one. See what you get, Marlene's is what?
Where's your thing there for your healthy taste?
Oh, okay.
I didn't even taste it yet.
Lee, y'all taste it? Ralph, how was it?
Ridiculous.
What do you say, babe?
Ridiculous.
Uncle Lee said he wants some.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks cute, Sandra.
Oh, thanks. He is very comfortable.
Isn't that cute from Bali?
Oh, that is really cute. I love that. The color.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Is that for Pop? Pop, you want to try a strawberry?
No, just regular.
You sure?
Yeah.
Give him some.
There's plenty of
Hold on, Mom. This, I was gonna give him some strawberry.
He said he didn't want. Did you want?
I don't care. I'll eat whatever.
Well, he might want to taste it. He's a dessert man.
Who?
Lee.
Uncle Lee, you want to try strawberry?
No, I got this.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
You want a little piece? Yeah,
No, I'm
yeah,
good.
yeah.
I'm
Here you
good.
go. Yeah.
All right, okay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Dad.
That's good. You can put that right in there. Thank you, Kelly.
There's a strawberry.
Thank you.
Okay.
All
right.
You brought your little radio thing?
Yeah, the speaker.
Yeah, we got some music going. Yeah, Kelly got her.
Can you try it?
Son's birthday. Very good.
You have more?
A whole box.
Oh.
Good.
What do you guys think? Go 1 to 10. 7. You said.
Where's this at 10?
Oh, he said 10.
Brown.
That's good. Bon appetit.